Ever dreamed of visiting Italy, the land of art, history, and mouth-watering cuisine? Imagine strolling through centuries-old cobblestone streets under the warm glow of the Mediterranean sun. Italy, a country steeped in rich history, boasts diverse landscapes that range from snowy alpine peaks to sun-kissed coastal towns. It's a land where past and present intertwine, where the ancient Roman Colosseum stands tall amidst modern bustling cities. Italy's charm extends beyond its architectural wonders. The country's culinary delights are world-renowned. Savor the authentic taste of a Neapolitan pizza, delight in the rich flavors of a hearty Tuscan stew, or relish the creamy decadence of a gelato in Sicily. And let's not forget, Italy is home to some of the most breathtaking places on Earth. From the romantic canals of Venice to the picturesque vineyards of Tuscany, each region offers a unique experience that's bound to leave you spellbound. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore 10 breathtaking places in Italy. Our journey begins in Rome, the Eternal City. Imagine a place where every corner whispers tales of a rich and vibrant past. That's Rome for you. This city breathes history. The Colosseum stands tall as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire, its echoes of gladiatorial contests still resonating within its ancient walls. Not far off, the Roman Forum tells its own story, once the heart of the mighty empire, where political, religious, and social activities thrived. Yet Rome isn't just about ancient ruins. The Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, is nestled within its boundaries. Here, the magnificent St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's masterpieces, compete for your attention, offering a unique blend of spiritual and artistic awe. Rome is a city that beautifully blends the past with the present. It's an eternal city indeed, forever entrenched in its glorious history, while simultaneously embracing the vibrancy of the now. Next stop, Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. This enchanting city, nestled in the heart of Italy, is a treasure trove of artistic heritage. It's a place where every corner whispers tales of a bygone era of art, intellect, and innovation. Our journey begins with the Florence Cathedral, or Il Duomo di Firenze, a remarkable feat of Gothic architecture. Its grandeur dominates the cityscape, and its dome, a masterpiece by Brunelleschi, still leaves architects and scholars in awe. Just a short walk away, we find the Uffizi Gallery. Here, under one roof, resides the world's greatest collection of Italian Renaissance art. Works by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci invite us into a realm of unparalleled artistic brilliance. Lastly, we cross the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval stone bridge graced with a row of shops that have been selling their wares since the 13th century. This iconic structure is a symbol of the city's enduring charm. Florence is a city that's a living testament to the Renaissance era. We now move to Venice, the enchanting city of canals. Elegantly poised on its lagoon, Venice is a city unlike any other. Designed on over 100 small islands, it's a place where roads are replaced by canals and cars by gondolas. The city's unique architecture is a captivating blend of Gothic and Byzantine styles, echoing its rich history. Stroll along the labyrinthine streets and you'll find yourself in St. Mark's Square, the vibrant heart of Venice. Here stands the iconic St. Mark's Basilica, resplendent with its golden mosaics. Another must-see is the Grand Canal, Venice's main waterway. Lined with sumptuous palaces, it's an unforgettable sight. As you glide down this aquatic artery in a gondola, the city unfurls in all its splendor, offering glimpses into its past and present. Venice is a city that captivates and enchants. It's a floating world of beauty, charm, and history, waiting for your discovery. Let's now head to Italy's stunning coastlines, starting with the Amalfi Coast and Cinque Terre. Imagine a kaleidoscope of colors as the sun sets over the pastel-hued villages clinging to the cliffs of the Amalfi Coast. This is a place where the mountains meet the sea in a dramatic fusion of natural beauty. Now, let's journey north to Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 villages etched into rugged cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea. Here, you'll find a hiker's paradise, trails that meander through vineyards and olive groves, offering panoramic vistas at every turn. Both the Amalfi Coast and Cinque Terre are dotted with charming beaches, perfect for a leisurely day of sunbathing or a refreshing dip in the Azure Sea. And let's not forget the food. Fresh seafood, ripe tomatoes, and locally produced wine are staples here. The Amalfi Coast and Cinque Terre offer some of the most breathtaking coastal views in the world. Next, we explore Tuscany, known for its idyllic landscapes and fine wines. This enchanting region, nestled in the heart of Italy, is a tapestry of rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves. Each hill town in Tuscany holds a unique charm, like the medieval Siena or the Etruscan Volterra, brimming with history at every turn. The vineyards of Tuscany, bathed in golden sunlight, are the birthplace of some of the world's finest wines. The taste of a Chianti Classico or a Brunello di Montalcino paired with a slice of local pecorino cheese is a gastronomic experience that lingers long after the last sip. And who could forget the iconic landmarks? The Leaning Tower of Pisa, a marvel of medieval engineering, stands as a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Tuscany is a region that soothes the soul with its serene beauty. It is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor every moment of your Italian sojourn. We now visit Pompeii, a city frozen in time. Nestled in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius, Pompeii was once a bustling Roman city. But in 79 AD, everything changed. Vesuvius erupted, spewing a deadly cocktail of molten rock, pumice, and hot ash over the city. In an ironic twist of fate, the same volcanic eruption that destroyed Pompeii also preserved it. The city and its inhabitants were entombed in a thick layer of volcanic ash, creating a time capsule of Roman life. As you explore Pompeii today, you can see the remarkably well-preserved buildings, streets, and artworks, providing an intimate glimpse into the lives of the Romans. From the grandeur of its public buildings to the intricate mosaics in private homes, every corner of Pompeii tells a story. As you walk its ancient streets, you can almost hear the echoes of its past. Pompeii offers a unique window into the past. Our journey takes us to Sicily, an island of diverse landscapes and cultures. Imagine stepping onto an island where the mountains meet the sea, where ancient architecture shares the skyline with verdant vineyards. This is Sicily. Sicily's beaches are a sight to behold with their crystal-clear waters and golden sands. They're a perfect testament to the island's natural beauty. But it's not just about the beaches. Sicily is home to a multitude of historical sites, each one a window into a rich and diverse past. From the ancient Greek temples of Agrigento to the Norman cathedrals of Palermo, every corner of Sicily is steeped in history. And let's not forget Sicily's unique cuisine. Influenced by a myriad of cultures including Greek, Arab, and Norman, Sicilian food is a delightful fusion of flavors. Think creamy cannoli, savory arancini, and fresh seafood, all made with locally sourced ingredients. Sicily is a vibrant fusion of cultures and landscapes. We now head to Milan, Italy's fashion and design capital. A city that thrives on the cutting edge, Milan is a dream for all fashion enthusiasts. It's a place where the latest trends are born, home to globally renowned fashion houses and the glamorous Milan Fashion Week. But the city's elegance isn't confined to its fashion scene. Milan's architectural prowess is evident in its iconic landmarks, the most remarkable being the Duomo di Milano. This stunning cathedral, with its intricate details and Gothic spires reaching for the skies, is a testament to Milan's rich history and artistic heritage. As for the culinary scene, Milan has its own unique flavors to offer. The city is famous for its rich and creamy risotto alla Milanese, and the golden breaded delight that is the cotoletta alla Milanese. Milan, in its essence, is a city that effortlessly marries tradition with modernity. It's a place where style is not just observed but lived. Milan is a city that exudes style and sophistication. Our journey concludes at Lake Como, a destination synonymous with luxury. Tucked away in the foothills of the Alps, Lake Como is a sparkling gem, its azure waters reflecting the lush, verdant landscapes that surround it. This breathtakingly beautiful lake is a haven of tranquility, offering a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Circled by a constellation of historic villas, Lake Como is a living testament to Italy's rich cultural heritage. These architectural marvels, each steeped in history, add a touch of old-world charm to the lake's scenic vistas. Dotted around the lake are luxury resorts that offer a taste of the high life. Here you can indulge in world-class cuisine, unwind in opulent spas, and live like Italian nobility. Every aspect of Lake Como, from the stunning landscapes to the sumptuous resorts, exudes an air of sophistication and elegance. Lake Como is a destination that epitomizes luxury and tranquility. From historic cities to stunning coastlines, Italy offers a diverse range of experiences. We've journeyed through the eternal city of Rome, soaked in the richness of the Renaissance in Florence, and navigated the enchanting canals of Venice. We've marveled at the picturesque coastlines of Amalfi and Cinque Terre, and savored the serene beauty of Tuscany's rolling hills and vineyards. We've stepped back in time in Pompeii, embraced the diversity of Sicily, strutted through the fashion-forward streets of Milan, and luxuriated in the opulence of Lake Como. Each destination, unique in its charm, has left an indelible impression. The flavors of Italy's cuisine have added a delectable dimension to our journey, enhancing our understanding of the country's rich cultural tapestry. As we conclude this Italian sojourn, we carry with us not just memories, but experiences that have stirred our souls and sparked our imaginations. Italy, with its rich history, diverse landscapes, and delectable cuisine, truly has something for every traveler.